In this video, I'll be solving the questions of exercise 9.1, chapter 9, differential equations. In exercise 9.1, we have determine order and degree if defined of differential equations given in exercises 1 to 10. So the first one is d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4 plus sine of y triple dash is equal to 0. Order is nothing but it is the highest order of the derivative in the given differential equation. So the highest order of the derivative in this equation is 4. So the order of this equation is 4. Next one is degree. The degree of a differential equation is defined only if the given differential equation is of the form of a polynomial equation. Whereas if you see here, it has d raised to 4y by dx raised to 4 plus sine of y triple dash, that is sine of d cube y by dx cube. This is not a polynomial equation. So the degree is not defined. So the degree is not defined. The next one is y dash plus 5y is equal to 0. Here the order is the highest derivative of this equation. The highest derivative in this equation is 1. So the order is 1. Here the degree of this polynomial, this differential equation is the degree to which the highest order derivative is raised. Here the highest order derivative is raised to 1. So the degree is also equal to 1. The next question is ds by dt the whole raised to 4 plus 3s into d square s by dt square is equal to 0. Here the highest derivative of this equation is d square s by dt square. So the order is 2. So the order is 2. The degree to which this highest order derivative is raised is 1. So the degree is 1. So we have to see only the degree of the highest order derivative. This is not the highest order derivative, so we should not write degree as 4. We have to look only into the highest order derivative. So here the degree is 1. The next one is d square y by dx square the whole raised to 4 plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0. Here again the order is the highest derivative of this equation. The highest derivative is second order. So the order is 2. The degree, it is not a polynomial equation. This differential equation is not a polynomial equation because it has cos of dy by dx. So the degree is not defined. The next question is d square y by dx square is equal to cos x plus sin x. So first we will see whether it is a polynomial equation or not. So it is a differential equation which is a polynomial equation. Here the order is the highest derivative. Highest derivative is second order. So the order is 2. Now the degree to which this highest order derivative is raised is 1. So the degree is 1. The next one is y triple dash the whole square plus y double dash the whole cube plus y dash the whole raised to 4 plus y raised to 5 is equal to 0. So here y triple dash it is nothing but d cube y by dx cube and y double dash is d square y by dx square. Y dash is dy by dx. So the highest order derivative in this polynomial equation is y triple dash. So the order is 3. The degree to which this highest order derivative is raised is 2. So the degree of this equation is 2. The next question is y triple dash plus 2y dash plus y dash is equal to 0. Here we can easily say the order is 3 and it is also a polynomial equation. So here the order is 3 and the degree to which this highest order derivative is raised is 1. So the degree is 1. The next one is y dash plus y is equal to e raised to x. Here the highest order in this differential equation is 1. So the order is 1. The degree to which the highest order derivative is raised is again 1. So the order is 1 and the degree is 1. The next one is y double dash plus y dash square is equal to 0. Here the highest derivative is of second order, that is y double dash or d square y by dx square. So here the order is 2. The degree to which this highest order derivative is raised is 1. So the degree is. The next one is y double dash plus 2y dash plus sine y is equal to 0. Here the highest order derivative in this equation is y double dash, that is it is nothing but d square y by dx square. So the order of this differential equation is 2. The degree to which this highest order derivative is raised is the degree of the differential equation. So the degree here is 1. The next one, the degree of the differential equation d square y by dx square the whole cube plus dy by dx the whole square plus sine of dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0 is. That is, the degree of a differential equation is defined only if the given differential equation is of the form of a polynomial equation. If we see here, these two terms are okay, but here it is sine of dy by dx. So this is not a polynomial equation. So the degree of this differential equation is not defined. So the correct option for this is option D. The degree is not defined. The 12th question is the order of the differential equation 2x square d square y by dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus y equal to 0 is. The order is nothing but the highest derivative in this equation. The highest derivative is d square y by dx square, or it is a second order derivative. So the order is 2. So the correct option is A. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.